Hey everyone, here we are at CSCS round 2 at TMP Cayuga. Obviously this is my favorite track. With that said, I was hoping to continue the way I ended the season last year at TMP with my 118.8, but in these morning sessions it wasn't happening. I felt like I was pushing the car very hard. The track has some improvements and I was hoping my time would improve much more with those improvements, but it wasn't happening. I barely managed a 121 in the morning session, and even though I thought I was pushing very hard, it turns out I wasn't. With a decent lap time down, I was hoping I'd be able to take a break for the rest of the day. I walked around a bit and I got to watch some drifting and the other things going on at CSCS. But while I was doing that, I quickly realized that everyone else's times were improving in my class, and I went from being 4th to 5th to 6th, and I started to get worried about not making the finals. And since I came with new tires, I might as well put them on and try for a better lap time with 2 qualifying sessions left. But of course, things aren't always that easy.
Hello?
Hey Gabe, can you see what happened on track?
Yeah, there's like a car stalled there trying to get it out.
Oh, is it being pulled yet or no?
Yeah, tow truck's there.
No, is it being pulled though or not yet?
Not yet, no.
No. Alright, cool.
Oh, he's there. I think he's hooking up to get it out.
Okay, cool, thanks.
Okay, bye.
I think it was around 20 to 25 minutes and I was getting worried that they would cancel that session and I would only have one session left to try and qualify. And of course, once we began, there's going to be a lot of traffic. The time was so delayed that we're almost approaching the time of the last qualifying of the day. I tried my best to let other cars go by, that way I'd have a nice clean lap, without noticing that I had a rocket McLaren coming up behind me, which was pretty interesting because I like to chase supercars. The chase didn't last very long, and of course, this thing is extremely fast on the straightaways. For the session, I was never able to get a clean lap. Instead, I was kind of stuck just going around cars and making the best of what I can do, and thankfully the cars were able to move out of the way in the right spots, so it didn't affect my lap time too much. I was able to improve my qualifying time with a 119.9, which is still over a second slower than my last time here in September. But even with the average time, I still had my cheer squad waiting. It's not every day that you walk around the track and someone has your car on the back of their shirt and you didn't ask them to do it.
Right, name where you're from, name of your dad.
Hey, John from Orangeville, and Paul.
Where's Dad? Is Dad here today?
He's up there.
He's up here? Yo, big up Dad. Yo, straight up, man. You're doing fine.
I encouraged one of my friends to join the patty eating contest and the noodle eating contest, which was fun. We got to relax and enjoy what the event has to offer. And now it was time for the final runs of Time Attack Street Touring.
0.23 is his first flying lap, Dugan McGee. Sean Hache on 120.8. Nugan coming in at a 123.678. Dylan Moss also at a 123.253. These guys are going to get much quicker on their second lap. We'll see as the tires get warmed up. The brakes are warmed up. They know the braking points. They know exactly what the car's going to do when they go to turn in. So let's see what they're going to do on the second lap. This is their last chance. Let's see what the order's going to do. Dugan McGee does a 120.473. Not good enough.
Come on, push!
Sean Hache does a 119.84.
Push!
And Egron Agar does a 119. Wow, that order is shaking up. I don't think Dugan had the fastest time for the whole day. And Brandon Prasad comes out of nowhere doing a 18.31 tick fire throughout the day. So he must have found something or fixed something on the car or just got dialed into the track. Coming out of nowhere, taking the top spot and winning it. He'll be happy about that. All-time supporter. He must have did a very good drive there. 118.315 is your winner here in the street touring class. Second place is Michael Ligze, and rounding out our podium is Dugan McGee at a 119.1.
Let's see what Shang Yi in that Evo 10 can play. He did a 119, so let's see.
In the Honda Civic representing OGX Race, car number 121, Ryan Minton.